Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the show. It's your boy Lex Money. We have got to jump back into ETH and one of ETH's beta plays today, because it looks like we're on the cusp of a massive breakout. Now, I said it before, I'll say it again. We got to look at the ETH BTC chart as well as the ETH USD chart, because when you do start to look at where the dominance is going, you're going to see that it is slowly but surely trickling down into Ethereum. Now, we're currently under a big key level of resistance. So again, maybe we get some pullback to the 100 MA on the ETH BTC pair. However, you look at the ETH USD pair and we're in a clear accumulation right now. So we were expecting a little bit of a cool off for Bitcoin. We're in the 8th week now. Historically, Bitcoin does find it hard to print 8 green weeks in a row. And with Bitcoin dominance still above 60%, you're going to see altcoins take a little bit of a chill as well. But ETH looks like it really wants to break out of this pennant, and probably by early June, first week of June, we're going to get a decision whether or not we break out or break up. But you guys know bull pennants are called bull pennants for a reason, because percentage wise it is more likely that ETH does break out to the upside. Now, something I also was looking at was the consolidation periods as well. So the past 2 times we've been in this consolidation from the bottom at 1.3k, it's been around 16 days, so just over 2 weeks of consolidation before a move to the upside. And you can see here, when you open it up, guys, the breakouts are getting much larger. The next breakout should bring us to around 3k. And when we do break out to 3k, you're going to see the ETH dominance percentage on the weekly start to gain more momentum. We actually bottomed out at 7%. We're nearly at 10% now. So if we can break 10%, 11%, 12.5% will be coming very soon for ETH. And if you wonder whether it's a good time to buy or not, if you're waiting for lower prices, then, I mean, number one, you had your lower prices back down here, which we spoke about on the channel many times, right? At around 1.5 to 1.8k, we accumulated a bunch of Ethereum, but still we're at majorly oversold levels, which we were at when we were at the bottom, guys, at around 1.3k. So majorly oversold. You're seeing inflows rapidly go into the ETH chain, even into some of the scaling solutions as well, like ARB, right? I've got a big bag of ARB, but the big daddy is going to be ETH, and it will be the first mover after Bitcoin. And then you'll start to see some of these beta plays pick up as well. But I'm picking up ETH, and I've got my eyes on some ETH beta plays, because they're going to be the ones that do probably outperform when we are in the heat of the bull run, right? So you're seeing the ETH ecosystem on CoinMarketCap, right, and organized by market cap. One of the biggest movers usually is Pepe, or the Pepe ecosystem. So whether you're into meme coins or not, that's completely up to you. But I do think like the Pepe-verse ecosystem probably will take a big market share. So we're going to be exposed to ETH, we're going to be exposed to like the L2s, but we're also going to be exposed to Pepe and the Pepe-verse. And one that I'm actually keeping my eyes on now, and I'm probably going to start to pick up soon, because when you look at the charts, you're going to be like, what? This is probably a good pickup, is going to be Dorky, right? So Dorky is number one an ETH coin, it's in the Pepe-verse, but then also it's trying to tackle the AI as well, the AI niche as well. So it's like a triple threat. And over the past 24 hours, this is as of today, it was one of the top performing coins, up 21%. And when ETH moves, again, we need to be looking for the top ETH beta plays if you do want to be exposed to these beta plays. So the ticker symbol is Dorky. And I'm looking at it as well because it's not really a meme coin, right? It's like a Pepe-verse coin with AI integration into it. They're trying to do something similar to some of the other bots like AXBT. Obviously very different because that's more of a base play. But you can go to the dorkybot.fun and it's going to be like a trading companion as well. So this probably can pick up on Twitter. Now it's already live, so you guys can go and buy this whenever you want. But I zoomed out to the weekly, and these things can be hardest to buy when the chart looks technically boring. The money is made in the boring times, guys. So you can see here, it's giving me a lot of confidence because from its inception, it hasn't been like one of these pump and dump rug pulls. It looks like it had its pump and now is finding a base, consolidating, probably until summertime. So again, these things can break out. It doesn't have to get right to the apex. These things can break out before. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to accumulate in this range here, guys. So anywhere in here, and I'm probably going to post this on Twitter as well to let you guys know, anywhere in here is going to be my accumulation range for Dorky, and we're going to come back to it. So it's not only going to be Pepe and some of the other ones, like if I was doing base Brett, it's going to be Dorky now as well as like beta ETH play. But you can just use the fibs. Price action looks pretty sound to me right now. We have got some resistance before we do breakout. At the 0.382 at around 6 cents, 0.5 is going to be another big resistance, and then 0.618. But still, you know, you're getting over 100% returns from now to the 0.382, about 80%, the 0.618, 180%, and then to the all-time high to 300% return. And even if we just go to the 1.618, which usually is a minimal target for these things, guys, then we're looking at around a 500%-ish return. And it's a super small market cap. So again, these things are risky. You've got to do your own research on that. But liquidity locked 116K, which is good. $2.5 million market cap, which is also the FDV as well. So that's good. They're not going to be like pumping more tokens into circulation. But we're going to be keeping our eye on Dorky, guys, because it does look pretty good. Like we said, one of the top gainers for the past 24 hours. I mean, it looks like from the lows, if you were to buy this a few weeks ago, guys, from the lows, you're already up 246%. So don't let the chart fool you. So ETH, we're picking up a big bag of ETH. And when we do see this start to break as well, then the whole ETH ecosystem is going to follow behind it. So a lot of people are doing these Solana plays right now. Many of you guys know I've got way more ETH than I do Solana. And I think it's a matter of time before we do take the reins from Bitcoin. Again, don't get freaked out about the price action. Don't get freaked out about the fact that we're pulling back in a bullpen and at resistance. It absolutely makes sense. So again, anywhere around 2.5k, probably going to unload another big bag. We'll probably buy our ETH beta plays at 2.5k as well. But it is a matter of time, probably within the coming weeks, guys. We will be breaking out. So that's a quick video from me to you on Dorky. I'll leave a link for everything in the description if you guys want to go check that out. And for more ETH updates, you guys let me know by liking the video and subscribing. I'm going to see you in the next one. Peace.